problem is spreaded worldwide, very few of people would be there who can commit that they are free from stress. First of all, we shall understand what is the meaning of stress. For this understanding, we have to first acknowledge ourselves. What is ourself? Ourself is composed of three things: mind, body and soul. For your kind information, you are actually the soul. Your mind and body that are given to you in the form of vehicles to perform the daily functions and to upgrade yourself. But by the misunderstanding, you associate yourself with mind or body. This leads to stress. My friends, the story of Ramayana that you might have heard, in this Rama is yourself, and when he runs behind the desire of mind, that is the golden deer, he loses his own self, that is Sita. So from the moral of this story, when we associate ourselves with mind or associate ourselves with body, then we lose our own self. We are going far away from our own self. This is the cause of stress. And so in order to evaluate or delete this stress, we have to again find out our own self. How can we find out our own self? Detaching from mind and body and attaching to our soul. This can be done by two techniques. First, smile meditation. Second, mudra mantra. I will show you the technique of smile meditation. You have to sit in a comfortable place anywhere at your home. Keep your eyes closed. Take a mudra of smile on your lips. And by this mudra, you have to just observe the thoughts that are running into your mind. This will be similar that you are sitting on a river bank and watching the river flowing. The mind has plenty of thoughts and these thoughts will run one after another. You have to just keep on watching these thoughts. You don't have to involve yourself into any thoughts. There would be times that you will involve yourself into the thoughts. You would be judgmental about the thought, but this is not the right technique. Immediately you bring yourself out of that thought and again start watching the flow of these thoughts. Slowly and gradually, after few days, the time would come when one thought moves and another thought comes. In between both of them there would be a blank spot, blank area. In this blank area, you will meet yourself. Slowly and gradually practicing this thing would make you associate with your soul channel and would make you consider that mind and body are your slaves and not yourself. Okay? This practice, most importantly, is away from time. That is, many times you would feel that you have sat for only 2 minutes, but when you get up and see the clock, half an hour would have passed. And many times you would feel that half an hour has passed, and in the clock, after meditation, you would observe that only 2 minutes have run. So friends, time is not a dimension in this meditation. Another technique is the mudra mantra technique. Friends, the little finger of your hand, you have to touch the base of the nail of the little finger. Again, touch the tips of the thumb along with the base of the nail of the little finger in this fashion. The remaining 3 fingers and your hands should be in a comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed and without opening your mouth, you have to utter the mantra. By performing this mudra mantra for 3 minutes each, at least twice a day, you will feel that your mind and body is being anchored or it is being controlled by your soul channel, and you will feel yourself in a very composed form. What is the indication of success in this achievement, the success is happiness, because the more you are coming closer to your own self, releases happiness from your body, from your mind. And this happiness is not only that you can feel, the people around you will also be able to feel the happiness from your aura. So this happiness, when you start feeling, you consider that you are moving near to yourself, and by default the stress that is being felt by yourself by attaching to your mind and body will slowly go on decreasing, and you will be out of this problem. Thank you.